Whoa! Stepped in a hole myself back here.
I barely even spun, did I?
Yeah, they were just slowly churning. They were actually spinning almost constantly, but it was just a slow churn. Yeah.
Wish they'd go through that hole. Side of it.
Yep.
He cleans it all up and bails off in the first meadow.
He's wanting to try that new front suspension.
Them Walker Evans shocks is nice.
Yeah. Go right through that track there. Right through that. See the hump?
Missed it.
Yeah, I'd like to see him try that hole in two-wheel drive.
You might want to put it in 4.
No. Oh my God. He took a tree out. He just knocked a little tree down. You still ain't hit it square. You still ain't hit it square. No, that. See?
It's sprinkling.
Yeah, it's sprinkling. Okay, see the hole, see the gap there between this hump here and that hump over there?
Right here. Put about one tire here, one tire here.
Yeah.
You want to put it in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a hole there. See how good it does. It's not as big as that one. Well, I don't think it's as big as that one.
Deeper than that one. It just ain't got the center bound. Right.
It won't center bound you. That'll chew that mud up too. He hit it.
You hit it this guy. There's a hole there.
Yep.
He hit his bottom.
Oh,